Point G3 in the model lies within the influence area of the BH4 profile. Therefore, for the consolidation analysis at point G3, we need to configure the required settings on the BH4 soil profile. Now we click the Soil Profiles button in the Define menu. We double-click the BH4 profile to open the Soil Profile Properties window. Here, we will apply these settings to the silt and clay layers where consolidation settlement is expected. We double-click the silt layer to open the layer properties. In the Drainage Conditions section on the left, we select the undrained option. When we select this option, the system automatically enables consolidation. Below this, we need to define the pore water pressure distribution during consolidation. There are 3 available options for this setting. If the top and bottom of the layer are permeable surfaces, we need to select the first option. We select the first option and click the Apply button. Now we move to the properties of the clay layer. Here again, we select the undrained option under Drainage Conditions. In the Consolidation Properties section, we keep the first option selected for the pore water pressure distribution. We click the Apply button. Then we click the Apply buttons to ensure that all settings are applied. Now let's switch to the Foundation Analyses window from the Analysis menu. As we saw before, we select point G3 from the list. Then we click the Settlement Analysis button. As you can see, the program first calculates the immediate settlement using the elastic method. This value is calculated as 4.9 centimeters. Just below, the consolidation settlement is calculated as 5.5 centimeters. Below that, the total settlement is shown as 10.46 centimeters. From the Settlement Details section on the right, we select the Consolidation option. When we select this option, the consolidation calculation table is displayed just below. Here, you can review values such as effective stress, overconsolidation ratio, preconsolidation pressure, and stress increment at sublayer points. The program calculates the overconsolidation ratio at each sublayer point based on the value assigned to the layer. Similarly, the preconsolidation pressure is calculated according to the effective stresses at the related points. In the next video, we will examine the consolidation rate and settlement time graphs. Thanks for watching.